When your clients are injured, every step of recovery matters, and especially the first. At Pain 2 Wellness Center, our chiropractic adjustments aren't guesswork. They're grounded in science. Research shows manual therapy combined with exercise can reduce recovery time by up to 27%. That's not just faster healing, it's faster case resolution. We target the root cause of pain, not just symptoms, using movement-based interventions that lower inflammation markers by as much as 45%. And with neuromuscular re-education, we restore function and mobility in nearly 80% of whiplash cases. This means quicker recovery timelines, reduced reliance on opioids, and objective proof of injury that insurers can't ignore. For you, that means stronger documentation, more leverage during negotiations, and better outcomes for every client. Want to put the power of science behind your next PI case? Call us at 404-699-0966 or refer a client today. Pain 2 Wellness Center, where recovery meets results.